How to hide last seen and online status on WhatsApp. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your last seen and online status on WhatsApp so you can stay private and browse without anyone knowing. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, on Android you can see 3 dots in the top right corner, then tap on settings, and on iPhone tap settings at the bottom right corner. Now tap on privacy. This is where all your privacy options live. Now tap last seen and online. You will see two sections here, one for last seen and one for online status. For last seen, you can choose everyone, my contacts except, or nobody. Below that, under who can see when I am online, select same as last seen if you want your online status to follow the same privacy rule. Once you have selected your preference, that's it. Your last seen and online status will be hidden as you choose. And that's how you hide your last seen and online status on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.